Hey guys, this is Fundo on Onchupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Lily received an unexpected breaking through in the Mrs. Madlala kidnapper case. She got Madlala on the kidnapper place, but the kidnappers are gone. And Madlala tells Lily that the kidnappers go away and she does not know where they are going to. While Sonto solicits the help of a lawyer in order to right someone wrong, and it seems like Mbata is scared for Masonto when Masonto comes with a lawyer for her money. But Mbata is happy to get the church that was selling, and it seems like he will be making a history to change the Tavel to be a church. While Nosipo has a devastating realization. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. They are for thanks.